Welcome to yet another video of Ride for All. So today we are heading out for a ride to Baolok with Honda. This is their beginner's adventure workshop. So yeah, I'm all ready and we are gonna head out right now. Okay, let's hit the road. We are heading to the Honda car showroom in District 2. That's where we begin. That's where we meet the Honda team and begin. I think the guy in front of me is also going that direction. In front of me there's two Transalp, an Africa Twin, and a CV500X. So seems like only one person did the registration yesterday. I myself haven't. We at office. It's a Friday. There's a lot of people in here. Okay. I'm gonna do my registration. There you go. 324. There was some kind of explanation going on. Well, he's the captain. I just know that. The guy over there in the orange. Yeah, he's the captain, and I have no other idea about anything else. But it's okay. I'm cool. It's Vietnam and it's Honda event. I expect nothing in English. I was given no notice. I shouldn't go. This is the first time I'm doing a branded group tour like this. Guess it's gonna be fun. I'd like to make some new friends, Honda riders, especially the Transalp riders. So I have a community around Transalp in Saigon. I guess we already reached off-road. Okay. That's a slippery place. So guys, we just done with our petrol stop and then gas stop, whatever you want to call it, and now we are heading for breakfast, and I heard that it is like 6 kilometers away. I don't know, 6 or 16. I heard south somewhere, so I think it's either 6, 16 or 26. I don't know. It can be anything. Okay guys, I guess we are stopping for breakfast. And I think I've been here before, the first shop. Oh, look at that. Just gives me goosebumps looking at all these bikes. Some of us are still enjoying the breakfast. I'm having a bit out. Okay, and after this we are off again. Probably this is it. This is the last stop, and we are gonna do off-roading after this. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so finally we are entering some wood section, but still concrete. Hope something is coming. Oh yeah, let me change it into gravel mode. But once I reach real off-road, I need to switch it to proper off-road mode. Okay, first time off-roading with Transalp, like on mud. Let's see how is it. Here goes. Here goes. Here goes. Yeah. The dirt roads. Spinny, spinny tires. I need to cover my face or else I'll be eating mud from that Africa Twin. Woohoo! So I'm riding with my traction control and ABS off, so it's better to do that. I can show you how to do that when I do the Honda review. For now, just enjoy the ride. I need to focus. Whew, very nice. to be frank, the CRF guy, he'll be totally bored. At least we have to manage this big machine on these things, but for him, it's just nothing. And I want to explore these kind of roads. It's much better to go these roads to Dalat or even Balok, you know, much better than going through those big highway roads. I think these were trails before, recently got converted to a concrete road. Probably for the citizens here. It's good for them. But bad for us. We can't find trails. Look at these trees, so huge. This is my first time coming through this route to Baolok. I think I will save this, and probably next time I will take this route. Yeah, baby. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm gonna make some photo and then talk to you guys later.